Can you feel it? Now it's coming back, we can steal it. If we bridge this gap, I can see you through the curtains of the waterfall. When I lost it, yeah, you held my hand, but I tossed it. Didn't understand you were waiting as I dove into the waterfall. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo.
Basta gagawin. Record naman.
Kasi, ikaw, sorry, ikaw. Ikaw, sir.
Kyle Brown, started. Yes, I'm Sid.
I'm Jenny, I'm a student and I see.
I'm Manuel, I'm a student and I'm Sid. I'm Balda, I'm a concentrate agent and I'm Sid.
But I'm Joshi, a student and
Jordan Nargit, musician, I never sing.
Kawan na yun.
okay na daw. So, sana rin
Hey, kasi ito mo. Gatigong.
Tigong ka of money.
Kaya sa bangko, kita mo, paray savings.
Or sa kaya
Okay na. Mga palaga po.
okay, so we have set on the save and have a create. So, mauna siya ato ang purpose nga natin karon. Ang theme sa kaninga seminar is secure your future at top of the news. Sa atong buhaton sa katong mga nagtigom na o sa katong mga nagtigom pa. Sa katong mga wala po nagtigom, siguro kaninga seminar maka-united sa inyo para magtigom. So, hindi na ito nilugayon pa. Ato lang introduce atong first speaker. So a brief background about her. She's a 20-year-old woman, a student of Xavier University. Usani siya ka bilado let's say personalidad, dili na sa Xavier, kundi sa Cagayan de Oro. So at her young age, kabalo na kay girl na siya o ikaw sa iyang own, by kind of modeling, TV hosting, kung na po siya yung business. And dili lang po kagwapa ang iyahang ikabuga. Kay kani siya nga babae, beauty and brains yun siya. So, let us welcome Miss Brian Tong.
Hi, good afternoon. Una sa tanan, dagan kay salamat sa pag-anhi delivery o pagdakid o gamay lang na time para mo-anhi sa amo ang seminar. So, naman siguro mo idea no kung ano na academy. Okay. Natadiri para sa amo ang seminar na Secure Your Future, a Talk on To-Dos. As business administration students, we are here to share our knowledge on what we know about financial literacy or financial knowledge. So first, now my question. What is savings? Any volunteer kung inyo ng own definition sa savings? Ikaw, sir. Para sa iyo, unsa ang savings?
Save of money.
Okay. Ikaw. Unsa ang savings para sa iyo? Okay, Tigo. Yung parang nabisaya ang savings. Okay, we all know, di ba, kung unsa gid ang meaning or definition sa savings, mga basic notions lang siya. Savings, the money we set aside. Extra money, the amount of money that we don't spend. Income not spent, example, niabot ng kinsina, tapos nagahintaw 10% sa itong sweldo, mo na siya ang savings na di natin ginagasto. Investment, an activity of increasing one's asset. Nanapog ko isa ka pangutana. Unsa ang importance sa saving? Any volunteers kung ikaw ako?
For emergency purposes.
Then, kitsa pa, unsa ang inyong idea or unsa inyong maunanaan nga nung importante kayo pag-save? Ikaw, ma'am.
For future investments.
Okay. Ikaw, Jordy, unsa ikaw maingon? Importance of saving.
For example, may mga emergencies na kailangan mo gasto pagparta or if na kay gusto paliton, at least na kay money makuha na inulit.
Yes, tama. So I have here bullets, some points on importance of saving. First, prepared for future purposes like emergencies. Tama ka. So, for example, imuhang car, breakdown, and then naguba. Pero wala kay kwarta na pangpaayos. So, di ba, kung saan mo na siya, alangan mangutang ka. Di ba, lisod naman kayo karon mangutang kay, di ba, halos tanan karon kay hindi na magpautang. Example, mga medical emergencies, like, si makulang palayo, ma-admit ka, magpa-check up, di ba, kailangan kita na magkahinta o at least magpasin mga 20% sa itong income para kung panahon na moabot ng mga unexpected na mga events, hindi natin magsige problema na mangitaw money. Second is being able to buy your needs and wants. Siyempre, moabot ang Christmas season. Na nakay gusto kaayo na mga sanina, labi na nating sale na, di ba? So, kung nakay savings, mapalit nila yung gusto. Pero within budget, yapon. A feeling of security for oneself and our family. Kinsa itong nag-answer of security? Ay, ikaw, di ba? Ay, lang. Oh, sorry. Tapos, a secured future. So, kanina po na seminar, maghatag ni og 5 tips on effective budgeting. Ang first tip is, make a list of your total expenditure per month. Diba? It's really straightforward kung saan na siya. Pagpapapel, magpapapolpen, inyong ipanglista ang mga kinahanglan ninyo bayaran, ang mga priorities ninyo bayaran sa isa ka month or per month. And then, imog yung i-prioritize, allocate must-pay items first. So, unsa ang mga examples sa mga prioritized bayaran kada ulan? Kuryente. Isa pa? Tubig. Aside from that, unsa pa man, kung dili ka lagi sa balay, mag-renta ka, and then, yes, nga na. And then, make realistic cutbacks if you want to make progress. Ang akong pagsabot aning cutbacks kay mag-sacrifice ka imong mga gusto. Example, napa kay Adidas nga sapatos. In good condition pa siya, hindi mo pa siya magamit. And then, nakakita along sa kanang mga malls, nakakita na siya, daw dito siya ng model. Bago na model sa Adidas. But since nakitaan mo na yung old na Adidas na sapatos, in good condition pa siya, magamit pa siya, di na lang sa ka magpalit ka itong bago. So, muna ko pasabot sa more sacrifice ha, for mag-save. Fourth is, review your budget on a monthly basis. Example, di ba sa number 1, ang first ni mo na imong i-allocate sa imong income is electricity bill. Example, ang imong electricity bill actual is 3,000, pero imong i-allocate as 3,500. So, bali na kay sobra na 500. Dapat yun. So, week 2, since increment na siya, mag-add po 50 sa previously na po nag-save. So, 50 plus 50 is 100. So, total of 150. And then week 3, because 50 na kunin mo siya, so 150. That's 150, so 300. Pagka week 3 na kay 300. Pagka week 52 mo ni siya ang last week sa year. By week 52 na nakoy Ako, may naabang ko karoon sa week 4, which is 1,000. So, ang akong style, nakakabos na ganito week 4, and the week 4. Ako din na siya islo sa bangko. And syempre, hindi mo maligay ang mga tentasyon. Example, makita nimo. Hindi mo magasto. May makita ka pa siya ng sapatos. Magasto. Lang-laag. Inom. Magasto gid ka. So, kada ako na gina siya sunod na pag maabot na dito week 4, week 8, or end the week sa month, isunod na siya sa bangko. Okay. So, kung gusto mo makapaluan ng mga models, naman po yung mga 50 increment in reverse, ay 20 increment. So, kung 20 increment inyong gamiton, sa isa ka year, makasave mo 17,500 and 27,500. Kung 10 increment sa isa ka year, 30,000. So, yung mga kaway na kayo, pagkabot sa Christmas, magaling din yung 13,000 yung shopping. So, ay pwede mo, currently ay ang website, Kuriput website. On 3 benefits of availing of savings accounts. First, ang pinaka-obvious na reason ay security. It is a safer method of saving. First, kung akong pasabot na bumabot sa week 4, ako din na siya tingnan sa bangko, i-barplay sa pagkasyon, or kung sa kanina. Ang ganipot siya, kay example, kung imong ibutang sa lugian, sa pigibang ang imong isay, kaya si Bago Palayo ang imuhang balay ni na sunog, dahil nagkawatan, or nagbaha, nagkuhan, nagbagyo. Diba, mas safe kung hindi siya ibutang sa bangko. Second one is, earn interest as your wants is. Ang kupasabon na niyo, diba? Kung mag-invest, kung ibutangin mo yung savings sa bangko, napagin siya yung possibility na mag-earn ka, na wala kayo na save yung money. For example, per annum is 0.25%, tapos wala kayo ibang sa money, wala kayo siya i-save sa bangko, earn na ka. Third is, it's a stepping stone to long-term goals. Ang kupasabon na niyo is, example, diabot na ka o required amount of money to start a business. Example, diabot na ka 1 million. Kana siya, kapag sa savings, iwag yung siya nila at ilan pa sa start, imo na siya magamit para magtupad na yung create na business. Meron na siya example. Debt management. Good debt. An investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Akong pasabot sa good debt is, for example, mga loans like house loans, car loans. Ay kanang magod na sila kung mga educational loans, gagagmay kayo siya interest. Kung imo mo siya magamit, hindi mo siya mapahinguslan. Ang kaning budget, or kabalon mas mo no, kaning budget, kaya kaning mga utang na, mga nagutang na ka, kaya gusto lang ako shopping, yan, kapitang, wala kaning income, or nagutang ka, so wala kayo magbayaran na, kaya sabi na kung magutang ka ng mga 5-6, di ba na mahal ka na ilahang interest per month. So, kung saan hindi mo pagbayad, anak, wala kayo income. So, naay rule yun ang pagutang. If you can't afford it, if you don't need it, then don't buy it. Second, sturdy.
Okay, so
Thank
salamat Miss Nombo. Ang next nato na speaker karon na mag-story about investment. Isa ka po ka estudyante sa Xavier, tapos i-challenge na estudyante without. Then sa iyang young age kay tapos na siya na-save, then na siya so please help me welcome Mr. Gaza Pataman.
Good morning, good afternoon. Kilatanan? Gusto mo na?
Kira.
Napa mo sa iyong pangasaw?
Yes.
Okay, medyo
challenging na. Sa ating challenging. Bet, ano, mostly actually, mga tao nga akong mga kailangan. Actually, it's not mostly. Which makes me comfortable. So, I hope na mo natulan sa last speaker. I hope sad na naminaw mo sa iya. Nagsiguro mo tanong sa iya. Sa tapon. Ako lagi ko na. Anyway, speaking about investment, before mo talaga investment, I just hope na sabot mo what savings is. Akong i-review sa what she said. Savings is actually pretty common nowadays. Of course, everybody knows what savings is. To make it simpler, it is a practice na it's been done since bata-bata, di ba? Savings has been taught sa ating mga parents ever since kami bata. And one thing that drives us to save is obviously a goal na dili for us for what we want. And that drives us to save. For example, gusto ko makapalit anak, gusto ko makapalit anak. Savings actually plays a really good, a very big role actually sa our life. And if you use it in an effective way in your life, you become successful. And when you're successful, you become very rich. Now, this seminar, I'm going to promise you all na you become rich people, or teach you how to be rich. But what I can say is that I can give you a direction that will help you save your money. Going first, investment. Anyone here knows what investment is? Or may mga para sa ako, kasi mas better mag-English or Bisaya pa sa investment. Bisaya na ako, pero ako i-try. Investment. Pero kung ano ako ng mga random people na rin sa investment. I see really smart people. Ikaw, ma'am, sa likod. Wala na investment. Para sa inyo lang. Pagsabot lang sa investment. Parang manegosyo. Okay? Okay? No, sir. Sa likod. Sorry, mga finance. What's our investment?
Planning to earn. For magpunta sa business, invest sa business, kung planning to earn.
Very good. So, to make it all simpler, ako na din saya. Investment is actually ang pagpalit niyo sa kabutang na hindi mo makuha diretso. In return, usually when we buy something, we get it right away. Investment is different because in investment, you don't actually see what you try to buy, but rather you will feel it in the long run. Investment is a long-term practice, and according to the purchase of goods that are not consumed today but are used in the future to create wealth. Or in other words, you buy something na in the long run, later on, you will earn more than what you bought, di ba? Kung life investment, for example, siguro, mga tao nag-gym, what do they invest? Invest sila o whey protein. What do they get in return? Sige nila yung gym, o ilang lawas, di ba? That's what they get in return. Kung basketball player ka, invest ka in good stuff, makes you comfortable, shoes, etc. Sama in return, you become a better player, di ba? Or maybe, as a student, you invest in your tuition, in the long run, you become smarter. You have a career, you have a direction. For money terms, investment has goals. Sa atong goals, investment, musugod ang savings goals. Nani siya difference eh. Savings goals, when you say savings goals, it's a short-term process. It's actually the practice na kanang that will drive you to get what you want in a shorter term. For example, gusto ko magbakasyon. Gusto ko siguro. Gusto ko mag-Boracay siguro in summer. What do you do? Save, di ba? You save para later on, makikwarta. Because if you don't save, ang imong money, di sabi working student eh. Working students. Engineer. Sa mga working students at sa mga bagong pa na nag-work, usually, when you earn your money, ang imo na mabay is your needs. Your daily needs, necessities, and it's basta that. Pero, what about the things that you want? You just don't get the things you want right away. First, for example, it's aboutable. Una siya, sa savings goals, you need to have a goal for you to achieve what you want. Ang mga tao manggol, ang sayo manggol nila is, earn nila kwarta, usually, when they see money, they feel rich. But if they don't actually control money, after pila lang ka days, broke na sila. Other examples of savings goals is, for example, mag-move lang sa common. Sa common investment goals, well, if this is short-term goal, see, common investment goals is obviously the opposite or longer term. What do you mean by longer term? For example, ako, a student, mga 20s na yun, kinapiti ko din na anak, diba? Karoon pa na muna, isod ang kwarta, isod ang kwarta, isod mo paskwela bata, isod mo na bata, diba? And kami, as young as we are, gatoon kami ang nasaydan, diba? If, for example, nakaburos ka, wala kay save-save, what do you do? Makayos mga papa. Diba? Punta na ito, in love kayo sa imong boyfriend or girlfriend, gusto mo mag-tinyo, what do you do? Tabang sa mga papa. So, sa common investment goals, a good example for this is, as students, for us to fit sa future, for us to have a better future, kailangan ta mag-start now. Kung gusto na for example, ang tuition is very expensive nowadays, diba? And if you want your kids to have a good future, education is always the #1 priority. Now, if you start now, later on, ma-realize nimo na pagtapos yung bata, di na kami isod. Kabayan. Hindi ka ng balance in life, diba? You have to set aside first kung saan mo dapat i-prioritize most in your life. Now, what's common about this is obviously akong hindi stress out ang goals because in goals, may direction. Pero how do you get there? Obviously, kailangan ka medium or transport. Sakay ka. What do you call investment vehicles sa in business, there are 4 types of investment vehicles. Mainly, bonds, stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. Now, like I said earlier, I'm not gonna promise you that you become rich after you sell your fund. What I can say or guarantee is that you will have a connection. You're not changing think of money. See, bonds, this is pretty similar, I mean, common sa Philippines. When you say bonds, fixed loans with reliable interest. In other words, a good example for bonds is mag-lend of money for someone else, a businessman, or a government, para sila makaputak sila business, and then later on, they will repay you the money that you lend them with interest. Now, the good thing about this is that obviously, you not only share your money, pero in the long run, kung ilang iuli sa imo, makagilan siya pa ka. Itagano ka nila interest. Depends sa girl kung pili. Example, bonds is actually the most common, should I say, pinaka-safe daw or sa most businessmen. Because rely man siya sa interest, kaya obviously na nakikipagawas niya, na namoy sakot, di ba? And gana siya, mag-differ lang na siya kung how they run the business. Now, si stocks is not that common here in the Philippines, but for education purposes, if ever gusto mo in the future, stocks plays a big role sa business where you will become rich. How does this work? Stocks, familiar with the stocks? Yes? Okay. Si stocks, all you have to do is just buy a stock, you become a part owner of the company, and you get something in return, di ba? Pero there's a risk. Why does it say higher risk with your opportunity? Now, I'm gonna explain to you this. Say higher risk. When you say stocks from good, depend siya sa everyday basis, di ba? Ang stocks, there's no guarantee that you will always become on top. Wala na siya, sayang. It will sometimes bring you high enough na grabe kataas ang iyong share, or bring you down or bring you up. Now, anong gwapo man sa stocks? Sa stocks mo good. If musaka mo siya, more than double ang daog. What's the difference between bonds and stocks? Si stocks, pareho sila, di ba? Kung support ang investment. Pero si stocks, you became a part owner. Si bonds, no, dili ka. Napawalo sa kwarta, managal ng negosyo, maligi ko, the rest. Wala na siya. Managin ko na, nagani siya sa Philippines. Other than si stocks. Now, si mutual funds, pooling your investment. Mutual funds is, unlike sa duha, ano na lang, you think it this way. Kung si bonds o si stocks, kung sa chess, may sila ang kanang tawag na. Mga bond, whatever na magamit. Si mutual funds is the board. Siya ang may strategy. Now, si mutual funds, how does this work? Kailangan ka na ay pinatawag ng money manager. In other words, if you have money, makita ka o mutual fund, maayo mo invest, maayo mo kaputuporta, siya ang mangita ng investors. Kaya invest ka niya sa iya, tapos invest para nagano mo invest, siya na yung mapatuyo sa kwarta, interest balik sa inyo. All you have to do is just lend, pero ang difference sa kanil duwa, kani siya yung gagulit sa kwarta, daghan ba siya? Daghan siya mangita siya. Mga stocks, mga bonds, etc. Now, sa real estate, obviously, if you're the type of person na mahilig mo palito properties, and then mahilig ka mo kapot o property, kaya gusto ka na inaliran oras yung kuyan, and then gusto ka mag-vote of interest, that's the best thing for you. But the difference is, ang difference sa kanila is that this one is very, very hard to do because we have to living out of course. And also, si real estate po, takes more time. Ano siya, tagas is agora, so long term is lang, mas long term siya, di ba? Pero of course, if you have a good strategy, then you will be able to convert it. Now, other than that being said, si investment is, di ba, long-term style. How do people do this? Savings to like savings to like investment. Pero, kung sa may kulang, ano mapansin? How to save, obviously, money. Diba? Money. And a good example for you to track your money are banks. Ang bangko man, nakagawa ko sa bangko is it's an establishment na magpapot sa mong kwarta and then ito lang mula or kalugayan, di mo ma-realize kung sinagan sa money. It's either makapapush na ito, kaya kinakasikat ito sa kwarta, or makapaliskalin mo ito, okay, wala kay kwarta. Pero, guide sa inyo nakikapapot sa inyo mga stop na wala kay kwarta. Unlike if you don't have a bank, sige na kagutang niya sa inyo ang kansya, kuha na kakuha, tingalan na kagawala ni Sudol. Diba? Hindi nyo mapansin. Si banks pang doon, nagkansya style. That's the reason why nasa may balance. Isa pa na sa balance is, dili lang siya na para mo-exist sa inyong account, kundi it's a warning for you na post na yung money. Now, there are a lot of banks in the Philippines actually. Dagan kayo siya, kagay niyo or their local banks here. And to name a few, poster or sa mga flyers, namin Producers Bank na to. Kautuod mo, asan eh? Anyone familiar with Producers Bank? Wala. Masabtan siya, wala. Masabtan siya, wala. Kaya because, bago na siya nag-open sa Cagayan de Oro, January 7. But that doesn't mean, bago siya nag-start. Si Producers Bank started 19 years ago. And how many branches na nasa iya? 119. What's the edge of Producers Bank? Si Producers Bank, pang nagagawa ko siya is that rural bank din siya before. And karon, from rural bank, din siya savings bank. And sa mga banks, they don't become savings bank right away. Kailangan na sila partner, kailangan sa mother company, paliton sila, or sila yung palit para muna po ang company. Sila mga si Producers Bank is that they live by their own. Didako sila all by their own. And the one is that pasabot ana, usok siya. Dili siya kakalugi, dili siya left behind, di ko siya kapaliton, dili dako ko siya giya, di ba? Si Producers Bank is located dito sa CM Recto Avenue. Kung liko ka pa Camp Alagar, left side is Baybank, abay niya, Producers Bank. And karon gaplano sila mag-extend 2 more branches sa Cagayan de Oro this year. Private bank. Wait, pwede ka mga yung kamot kung isa ito ba yung account talaga. Honest lang. Wala yung savings account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sure, kamot na naman yung savings account. Okay, that's good. If na may savings account, are you guys familiar with how these work? Ako, to tell you honestly, even till now, because even if ito mo, it's their job of course to help people sila about. Ang mo lang is ang background sa bank. So they offer these kinds of things sa deposit-friendly products and service offered as like savings, time deposit, etc. Kanya magod sila, if sa mga wala yung account, si savings account, ang nagagawa ko is, gawasan na siya yung balance, na siya ginatawag na interest per annum. Si savings account, if you deposit your money, wala ilang pinabot, at the end of the year, saan ka siya may bilang percent. Depend lang na siya sa bank, of course. Si time deposit, for example, na may 1 month at 3 months lang, hindi mo ilagdan. In other words, mag-deposit ka, kung 5,000 pesos, si 5,000, hindi mo na pwede ilagdan in 3 months. Okay? After 3 months, nagahan lang interest, usakan na siya. Yan, hindi mo na withdraw ng interest, after 3 months, usakan na siya. Antod sa gasakay, kumani gasaka. Checking account, ang difference sa kanila is that si checking account usually gamitin na siya for businessmen or private companies because na mga cheque, etc. Si bank also targets OFWs, una na mga US dollar saving, and two other deposits nila. There's a loan services, that is why naiuban niya kung gusto mag-invest, types of loans. Hindi na ako mag-go-over ang internet. Okay, if you guys are ever interested sa bank nila, feel free to go to their bank na located sa CM Recto and ask for details. You may inquire there and open an account for yourself. So that being said, I hope guys na nakasakot mo sa aming seminar karon, and thank you everyone for inviting sa mga namin pang-invite sa quiz of learning. There's not to deserve. Thank you.
Sir, na kayo natunan sa seminar karon? Like what, sir? Ano natunan mo? about savings? No, be. Interesado na ka mag-save? Mag-save ka? Right. Sir, excuse me sir, what's say maingon mo sa audience na to karon?
Medyo ga-cooperate sila. It's a good thing. Salamat kayo na nagalit. Kay Jake.
Char lang.
Make this leap through the curtains of the waterfall.
Sir, sa inyong i-discuss sir, what's say importansya sa savings?
Hindi, seryoso. Importansya sa savings kay for emergency purposes. May nalagot.
Alright. Hello ma'am. Sa imong natun-an kang Mr. Gas, what's say important sa savings?
Hindi, napo, masalo.
Pag mag-save ko, makapalit ko Fortuner. Okay.
Well, I'm just a boy with a broken toy, all lost and coy. So it's here I stand as a broken man, but I found.
Hi sir. Karang sa karong hapon sir, sada mag-savings. Ay, unsay ano nimo sir? Unsay instrument nimo? Lead guitars.
Unsa na ba, sir?
Sir, kailangan mo drummer, i-text ko sir. Joke.
So, tsara kaya pag mga kuhan nga choices tsara kasi daw kaya mo siya nga kurang add-on sa influence sa savings. Mahal mo savings para for the future niya process
Okay, thank you kay sir. What's the importance sa savings? How important is savings to you? Very important. Like why? For our future? Our future.
Yeah, I need this. You're my fault, my weakness.
Question? Pwede mag-question? Isa lang question. Isa lang mag-answer. Muning question. How important is saving to you? Wow. Ikaw ma'am. How important is savings to you? Ikaw. Thank you.